Chemical warfare involves using the toxic properties of chemical substances as weapons. This type of warfare is distinct from nuclear warfare and biological warfare, which together make up NBC, the military acronym for nuclear, biological, and chemical, all of which are considered weapons of mass destruction. None of these fall under the term conventional weapons, which are primarily effective due to their destructive potential. With proper protective equipment, training, and decontamination measures, the primary effects of chemical weapons can be overcome. Many nations possess vast stockpiles of weaponized agents in preparation for wartime use. The threat and the perceived threat have become strategic tools in planning both measures and countermeasures. Definition: chemical warfare is different from the use of conventional weapons or nuclear weapons because the destructive effects of chemical weapons are not primarily due to any explosive force. The offensive use of living organisms is considered biological warfare rather than chemical warfare. However, the use of non-living toxic products produced by living organisms is considered chemical warfare under the provisions of the Chemical Weapons Convention. Under this convention, any toxic chemical, regardless of its origin, is considered a chemical weapon unless it is used for purposes that are not prohibited. About 70 different chemicals have been used or stockpiled as chemical warfare agents during the 20th century. The entire class known as lethal unitary chemical agents and munitions have been scheduled for elimination by the CWC. Under the convention, chemicals that are toxic enough to be used as chemical weapons, or that may be used to manufacture such chemicals, are divided into three groups according to their purpose and treatment. Schedule 1 have few, if any, legitimate uses. These may only be produced or used for research, medical, pharmaceutical or protective purposes. Examples include nerve agents, ricin, lewisite and mustard gas. Any production over 100 grams must be reported to the OPCW, and a country can have a stockpile of no more than 1 ton of these chemicals. Schedule 2 have no large-scale industrial uses, but may have legitimate small-scale uses. Examples include dimethyl methylphosphonate, a precursor to sarin also used as a flame retardant, and thiodeglycol, a precursor chemical used in the manufacture of mustard gas but also widely used as a solvent in inks. Schedule 3 have legitimate large-scale industrial uses. Examples include phosgene and chloropicrin. The OPCW must be notified of, and may inspect, any plant producing more than 30 tons per year.